This one is Gravity Flip. It's in Typescript. And as always, there's a link to the challenge in the show notes right below the video. Give it a shot. Before watching, you've always got this to fall back on if you get stuck. Okay, so Bob is bored during his physics lesson, so he built himself a toy box to help pass the time. The box is special because it has the ability to change gravity. There's some columns of toy cubes in the box, arranged in a line. The ith column contains AI cubes. Okay. At first, the gravity in the box is pulling the cubes downwards. When Bob switches the gravity, it begins to pull all the cubes to a certain side of the box. D, which can either be left or right. Below is an example of what the box cubes might look like before and after the switching gravity. Okay, so if they're arranged this way, then they all move to the right. Given the initial configuration of the cubes in the box, find out how many cubes are in each of the in columns after Bob switches the gravity. Okay, so we have 3, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3. It looks like you just kind of sort the array based on R or L. So if it's right, then it's smallest to largest, but if it's left, then it's largest to smallest. At least I get the sense that that's what they're asking here. I could be wrong. Okay, so let's try this out. So we'll do if dir triple equals R, then let's return the array and we'll sort, we'll look at each of the two numbers. And okay, so each of these, let's be more specific here. This is a number, this is a number, we're returning a number. And it's going to be, if we're doing largest to smallest, or no, smallest to largest in the R direction, so it's going to be in1 minus in2, okay? So when that's a negative number, it'll go smallest to largest, or whichever, if this number is smaller than this number, then that means this result is negative. So if it's negative, then that'll put in1 in front of in2. If it's positive, then it switches them, okay? So that's your typical sort order. So if that's the case, then to negate it, in other words, if the direction is an L, that's what this one does. So we'll return array sort, and then this will be all of that times -1. All right, so let's test that out. And let's do a submission here. Great job, y'all.